2. Listen to the sentences and pay attention to each verb. Write them in the column corresponding to the pronunciation of the ending, ed, of each verb.
1. The number of website users declined during the first quarter of the year.
2. A group of students developed our school website 2 years ago.
3. Have you downloaded the information about our school project?
4. Social networking has influenced young people's lives.
5. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876.
6. Radio emerged as a mass medium in 1920s.
7. Walt Disney produced the world's first full-color film, Flowers and Trees, in 1932.
8. New technologies have provided powerful forms of mass media.
9. We compared the number of Internet users in several developing countries.